喺嗰個整辣醬，其實我覺得整辣醬呢個我平時都好少會做，因為韓國人就好出名食辣醬泡菜，咁所以其實都喺呢個手作方面咧都好有呢一個嘅印象深刻嘅，因為要將所有嘢撈埋一齊，要自己整，跟住整完之後又要倒落去嘅時候，發覺3個樽係要平均地倒嘅時候係一件好辛苦，即係好難預計嘅事嚟嘅，都係令到我好有感觸，即係希望可以做多啲呢啲唔同嘅文化嘅背景嘅事。
係因為中意 K-pop 文化啦，所以有開始自學啲 K-pop 嘅舞蹈嘅，跟住之後就開始對跳舞有興趣，就係因為有呢個可以上 K-pop 堂嘅機會啦，係一個好大嘅原因，我會參加今次嘅呢個 tour。
Hello, I'm the Student Council President of the Business Administration of Sejong University. Today we did an international program with Hang Seng University and Sejong University. It was a real pleasure. We did a campus tour today. We had lunch together. It was a great time.
We all Asians, but I think there's a little bit kind of different culture. Koreans are more kind of like closed and more kind of shy sometimes, but Hong Kong people were like more with more energy, and they're like with so many questions about like interest.
也就是那天的 Homestay， 我跟我的室友遇到了很好的一家人，我们相处得很融洽，聊了很多，聊了香港、中国和韩国的不一样的地方和一样的地方，确实达到我的预期，很开心来到这次 study tour。